for the black girls. Not black girl vitamins. Whew. So I got up on my bed saying I'm about to go to the supermarket to get me a bottle of wine, but I'm playing because the supermarket closed at 7 and it's literally 6:30 right now. So I'm cutting it close. I had a bottle of wine, but I brought it to my friend's house. Let me see what they got up in here.
There's so many ways to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust the right. Don't have to be scary. You just gotta follow the light. You're able to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You don't have to be.
Oh yeah, so I got my wine. About to put it to cool, and then yeah, let it chill for a little bit. Okay, it needs to chill first. My wine gotta be cold. My wine gotta be cold, okay? Alright, I'm making some canned salmon. I didn't get to recording. I started because my phone was charging. I'm gonna put the cinnamon in there. Let's stick it. So okay. Yeah, it looks and smells so good. Looking my rice and seasoned up. Squishes. Cheers. So it's another day. Yeah, I'm about to go to Trader Joe's and get some groceries because like I said in prior clips, I will be starting my diet. Some healthy groceries. I need to start eating healthier. See y'all when I get in there.
If I can't have you, I don't want you to have anyone. And if you don't want me, there's something wrong with them, right? Maybe I got problems that I don't tell anyone. Have I lost my perception? Feel like I wanna do something wrong now. Packing all your belongings. Say you wanna take some time. But if you say we'll meet again, why'd you have to take everything now? Baby, are you lying? Have you met someone? Tell me now. I better start crying. Make them feel bad before we leave town. 10, 9.
Oh my god. These are my favorite. My freaking favorite. I love these. They're a little on the expensive side, but yeah. I'm still getting it. Oh, they got mango chunks for $2.99. I'm thinking, should I get this? So y'all, this is my snack. This is my favorite snack from here. Like, I'm getting me 2 of these. How much is it? $2.49. I'm getting me 2 of these. I'm gonna try these because I saw this YouTube girl that I watch and she says these are really good. I love me some plantain chips, but these are crispy plantain slices, so hopefully they taste just like plantain chips. One bag is enough to try. I gotta get the ground chicken because I made some pasta with them last time. Make sure the date March 9th. That's still close, y'all. I'm gonna get me another one. March 13th. Yeah, I'm gonna get me it. Yeah, I'll make sure I watch the expiration date on these things. But yeah, March 13th. So I'm gonna get me two of these. Last time I made them with some pasta. Oh my god, it was everything. Over 100. Well, this is my groceries. All of this. We just got done in Trader Joe's. I didn't spend that much that I thought I would spend. 2 weeks groceries right there. Plus I have groceries home. Yeah, I'm about to get some food from the restaurant. I don't know what I want yet.
If I can't have you, I don't want you to have anyone. And if you don't want me, there's something wrong with them, right? Maybe I got
some food. It's nice and warm. I got some Jamaican food from this place, like I saw. So hopefully the jerky chicken is good. So let's see. Oh my god, you put mad sauce on my rice, so I don't like that. Ooh, it smells mad good though. It's burnt, that's how you know that's good. Yeah, but let me taste this chicken. See how it is.
Ain't nothing else to do.
Wow.
The oxtail really tastes mad good, like the oxtail is mad good. And it's good, it's on my rice. I thought it was gonna be too much, but it's not a bunch of oil, it's actually gravy, it's actually sauce. So the chicken is good. It probably could be better, but it's good. It can eat. This right here, it's one of the ducky. So you're gonna bite in it thinking it's a part of gravy, it's not. You get a straw?
The next day.
Welcome people, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Peter Gay. If you're not new, welcome back. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for clicking on this video. I just finished doing my story time, so I'm gonna keep this video on because I don't feel like changing nothing. I'm just gonna keep it on, even though the flyaways are really visible because I'm under so much lighting. The lighting is up, so the flyaways is mad visible, but whatever. I just want to do this unboxing, gym edition unboxing real quick. I ordered some stuff for the gym, which I have yet to start because I feel like my job know I'm trying to better myself, and they're just trying to pull me in and reel me in with the money because every time there's a extra shift, I'm picking it up. So yeah, but hopefully I get to start soon because they already took 2 payments. The third one about to come in. So yeah, but anyways, I'm not even gonna stress over that. That's out of my control because yeah, working 6 days is not easy. When you have 1 day left to do everything, it's not easy. So like I said, hopefully I get to start the gym soon. Yeah, so I ordered some vitamins. Not all the vitamins are from Amazon, but I ordered some from Amazon. My collagen. This I didn't order from Amazon. This I'll put the link in the description below if I remember where I got this from. But I'm always seeing this on Instagram, so I'm like, okay, I don't have any collagen in my diet, so I need to add this to my diet. I could tighten up some skin. I see the difference. Get out, get out, get out. Let's do that, because this one here just keeps sticking out and it's annoying. Get out. Yeah, so I see the difference online, that is. You know, it'll tell you anything for you to buy it. So I'm gonna try this out with the smoothies, with the drinks, water, whatever. I'm gonna try it out. I could mix this with, yeah, I could probably mix it with like pancakes or waffles or whatever I'm trying to make. And yeah, see how effective it is. So this is plant-based Irish sea moss. The collagen flavor is vanilla and caramel, and it has 0 sugar. That's what it says. So let's hope. It says 0 sugar. It supports nails, digestion, skin, hair, and joints. This I ordered from Instagram. So yeah, if I remember, I'll tag this page. This I ordered from Amazon. This is an electrolyte drink mix, and it's like a faster hydration than water alone. That's what it says. So they have different flavors. I got the grape, and I got this from I saw this one of these YouTubers, I forgot her name, but she this is what she drinks with her water, because she's not a water person. It's vegan, gluten-free, dairy-free, soy-free. It's like on the whole packets, and you pour it in your water, your juice, whatever you want to pour it in. The hydration is supposed to be 2 times faster than waters, and it has 5 essential vitamins: B3, B5, B6, B12, and vitamin C. So this should be good. I've never had nothing like this, so I just hope it doesn't make me break out or nothing, because child, my skin is sensitive. Next up, I have some Black Girl vitamins. Also got this from Instagram. I don't really take vitamins, because the last time I tried to take vitamins, my skin started breaking out, so I stopped taking it. So now I'm just trying to get back into it. These vitamins are vitamins D3, and it's supposed to boost your energy and support your immune system. Like most vitamins, it supports your hair, skin, and joints, and this also fights anemic symptoms. Yeah, I'm gonna make sure I take these, because yeah, I'll be feeling mad slouchy and mad tired, and even though I get 6 to 8 hours of sleep, I still be feeling tired and slouchy, and you know. So let me take it out. It comes in this cute thing, cute little container. And so these are gummies. I don't take listen, all my vitamins are gummy form, okay? I don't care what nobody say. I don't like taking pills. Pills is not, I don't like taking pills. I could blend it up in my smoothie or just chew them, but yeah, will be in gummy form if I'm taking the vitamins. So this one is peach. This flavor is peach, mango, and strawberry. And this is how it looks. Vitamin D3. It says 2 vitamins a day for the black girls. Not black girl vitamins. Next, we have some black seed oil gummies. I'm not gonna always take it like orally, just like that. I'm gonna just blend it up sometimes with my smoothies. So this one says you take 2 to 4 a day. This is also vegan, and it's supposed to refrigerate after you open it. But I heard these are really good. It says black seed oil is typically consumed for its potential benefits to hair, skin, nails, digestion, and immunity. So let me tell you the benefits of the black seed oil gummies. But I've seen like results on Instagram, and they're pretty good. They have it in liquid form also. But which I could have got that too, but I saw the gummies and I was happy enough to get the gummies. So yeah, they have pretty good benefits, and it helps with inflammation, eczema, asthma, high cholesterol, diabetes, and black seed oil is a good source of calcium, iron, zinc, copper, etc. So yeah, these are pretty good. At least see diet, because I see that they have really good results and reviews. So I was like, yeah, I'm gonna get these. Alright, so this is the waist trainer I got from Amazon. I was thinking about getting Keisha Killer waist trainer, but child, that shit is expensive. Why? Why? I know it works, but she don't have no waist. I'm gonna just stick to Amazon and get me something a little on the cheap side. But so this is Sweet Sweat waist trimmer. So yeah, it's comfortable, heavy, thick enough. It's not like the cheap material or anything. Like, it has stretch. as you can see. Probably not as quick or not as effective as the Keisha Cure, but listen, I'm not going above my means, okay? I mean, I could have bought it. If it's not working for me, then two tights from Amazon. Also, I'll put these on the screen because I don't feel like taking these out right now. I'm not going to put them on, so, you know, I forgot how much I paid for them. But they're pretty thick. They're high-waisted. Butt lifting yoga leggings. That's what they are. So it's like high-waisted tummy control. It's like, it's all the way up here and it's the ruched material. So, you know, it'll hold the tummy. And that's what I mean. Waist train over it. It's gonna be snatch. I had already opened those, but I didn't get a chance to do the video, so yeah. This is, what is this? Oh, these are the other vitamins that I ordered. I just want to make sure I have a good amount of vitamins taking daily. Vita Fusion Women's Multi Vitamin. So this is for energy, metabolism, bone, and immune support. Like I said, all the vitamins I'm taking gonna be for my body, okay? It's gonna be for everything, not just one part of my body. So again, gummy. I am playing. Gummy form. Not playing with that. The flavors, it's looking like blackberries, raspberries, and strawberries. That's all I see on here. So hopefully, yeah. Blackberries, raspberries, and strawberries. So I like this one because it says no sweeteners or artificial flavors. It's no gluten, no high fructose corn syrup, no dairy, and no dyes. So yeah, I was going back and forth with the Centrum or this one, but the reviews on this one was pretty good, so I got this one instead. I really wanted to get these from a long time ago, but I had the liquid, so I didn't feel like I needed it, which I still have the liquid right here, but I use it for like my face and stuff. But so I got the apple cider vinegar gummies. They're the same brand, Maju Foods, Maju Superfoods. The liquid, people say you're supposed to drink the liquid. I would rather take these. I will chew the gummies and I will blend them up in my smoothies also, because drinking the liquid, no, I'm good. Even though I could just easily pour the liquid into my smoothies also. But yeah, so everybody know apple cider vinegar is good for you. It's a pretty good intake. If you don't have this on your diet, you need to add this to your diet. The liquid you use for your face, like as a toner. Okay, and then so I got this little thing here, this little pill container. I'm gonna put all of them in when I'm done, so I can remember to take them daily. So I got this on Amazon. I'll link everything in the description below that I got from Amazon, and everything else. If I remember where I got them from, if I can find the link, I'll link them also. I got this from Finish Line, and I paid $35. And so these are sneakers. Paid $35 for these. I was like, what? But I got these in boys, kids, like big kids, because I'm a size 6. So I got them in big kids, and it was on sale for $35 on Finish Line, and I'm like, look at this. So yeah, it's these Adidas. I don't know what they call these. I will put it on the screen. I forgot the name what they call these, but yeah, so comfy. Seem kind of tough. I think I'm gonna get another pair for work because it's about that time I change my work sneakers. But yeah, these are them. Them is these. Yeah, look at 360. But that's it for my little gym edition unboxing. I'm gonna go meal prep. I just love this freaking. I gotta get me a bang wig because this wig is just, and it kind of is it me or it kind of go with my complexion. It does go with my complexion though. Okay, so I just finished my unboxing video and my story time. I'm about to go wash these fruits and then edit for the rest of the night. See y'all in the mix. So these are the fruits I'm about to wash and put in the mason jars to preserve them longer. And I have spinach and kale in there for my smoothies also. So Yeah, let's get into the washing.
If I can't have you, I don't want you to have anyone. And if you don't want me, there's something wrong with them, right? Maybe I got problems that I don't tell anyone. Have I lost my perception? Feel like I wanna do something wrong now. Packing all your belongings. Say you wanna take some time. But if you say we'll meet again, why'd you have to take everything now? Baby, are you lying? Have you met someone? Tell me now. I better start crying. Make them feel bad before we leave town. 10, 9, counting down. Putting on a smile. 8, 7, 6, 5. You say goodbye. Lock the door for 3, 2, 1. And then I lose it. I'm delusional, you say. And then I lose it.
So this is all I prepped. Today. I just have some strawberries, blueberries, and a mixture of blueberries and raspberries. This is like for my breakfast. And these are for the smoothies. I only bought these 4 mason jars for now because I'm gonna get some from Amazon. So I just bought these for now. So this is just to last me for this week. And I still have some leftover strawberries that I'm about to eat. So I have these cucumbers in here, soaking, getting all the dirty. Y'all see that? That's it for the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video that I'm about to start right now. Thanks for watching.